Hey everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing my order of brake parts from Parts Avatar. So my car needed some new brakes, and of course I shopped around and I found Parts Avatar had very competitive prices, and the order was shipped quite quickly, so I was quite impressed. Let's have a look. So I've got here some ceramic brake pads, front and rear rotor. I checked them out, they look very, very good. Beautiful red color, exactly what I ordered. And I really like this touch. They added some brake lubricant right in the box there. So those look excellent. This is for the front and rear, got them both. And the rotors as well. I've had a look at them, they look wonderful, exactly what I ordered. So I'm very happy with my order, and I'll certainly be doing business again with Parts Avatar.